Hey guys, it's me, Soso. As you may have noticed by now, I changed my avatar. Why? Because I graduated. Fresh start! Yay me! I'm officially in high school. The graduation reminded me of a drive-thru, but instead of giving you a burger, they gave you a diploma. Anyway, in this video, I found a really old artwork of mine and I wanted to remake it. I made two different versions of it, but I personally like the second better. Let's go see how I made it. That was the first one. Let's take a look at the second remake. Let's do a quick comparison between the two artworks. For the one on the left, I tried to imitate watercolors. However, it is extremely difficult to do it digitally, but I'm pretty satisfied with the result. The one on the right uses a technique called the paper effect. In a later video, I will teach you guys how to do the paper effect on Ibis Paint X. That's all, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Also, you can find all the finished pieces in my videos and more on my Instagram. Go check me out on Soso Digital Art. Thanks for watching. Bye!